everybody. My name is Omni from Omni TV. Today, we have a package. My mom got it from Amazon, not me. What is this? Is this a fox? It's something furry. I never had something furry on my backpack before. Let's open it. Shall we? Shall we? Shall we? Shall we? Very crazy, actually. I don't want to. Oh. Don't need that. Oh, this is a thank you card. This says, "Welcome to our shop, Basine." This is from Basine. And this says, "Welcome to our shop." It's spelling backwards. Cute. It's like so cute. Bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. This is my cute little fox. Great keychain, Basine, I mean. Isn't it cute? Like, I'll talk about it for something. Look at its little nose. There's pearls. There's all gems. And look at its teeny little eyelashes. Right there. And also, look at its fur. So look at its fur. It's all pink, but not just any pink. Rose red. Here's the keychain, which I'm going to be hooking onto my backpack. Here's its little nose right here. Beep, beep. Right here. Beep, beep. It's got little hearts on the back, like this. Whee! Dancy, dancy, dancy. Dance, dance, dance. Like that. Oop. One ding. So it looks like it is a fox. It is a fox. It's such a cutie patootie fox which is sleeping. This is a great keychain. I love it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, hit that notification bell, and comment down below if you have one of these. Okay, let this guy say it.